What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be continuing with the Java Intermediate series. We're going to be touching on polymorphism. So essentially what polymorphism, it's going to be the third pillar of object-oriented programming, and it refers to the idea of having many forms. And really it occurs when there is a hierarchy of classes related to each other through inheritance. A call to a member method will cause different implementation to be executed, depending on the type of object invoking the method. So here's an example. Cat and dog classes are inherited from the animal classes. Each class has its own implementation of the make sound method. As all cats and dog objects are animals, we can do the following in main, like so. Essentially, both of them are animals, right? So you can create a dog from the animal class, you can create a cat from the animal class, you can create anything that's an animal from the animal class. So we've created two reference variables of the type animal and pointed them to cat and dog. Now we can use the make sound. So let's see. It's gonna say wolf and meow because you're calling it on the dog right here. It's gonna say wolf. If you call it on the cat, it's gonna say meow right there. And then as a reference, variable A contains the dog object. Make sound of the dog will be called. Same applies to B. This demonstrates that you can use the animal variable without actually knowing what it contains as an object of the subclass. This is very useful when you have multiple subclasses of a superclass. So let's do a practice problem real quick. Vehicles can be classified according to what energy source powers them. The program you are given has three vehicle classes: vehicle, electric vehicle, and hybrid vehicle. Electric vehicle and hybrid vehicle are inherited from the vehicle class. Complete the program by re-implementing method resource in inherited classes so that the given works correctly. Okay, so let's see here. Go ahead and create the resource method, right? Okay. So we can do public void resource. And then we can just simply output system.out.println, and then we can type in the puts I use electricity, like so, and we can do the same thing right here for the hybrid vehicle as well. And then we can use, let's say, petrol and electricity. Let's run it. It's wrong. Why is it wrong? Doesn't output anything. Okay. Let's see. Well, it's not outputting anything, huh? Okay. Resource. Okay, so it's not outputting anything. Vehicle dot start electric dot start electric dot resource vehicle dot resource. Okay, that is interesting. What we'll do, it's right here. Okay, this should say starting, right? It doesn't even say that right there. So that is concerning right there. Let's see, that is weird, huh? It's not even starting up. Okay, let's print out. And I always do this when I have, something that I don't know why it's not doing as it's supposed to. I usually just print out the statement here. So we'll put like starting. And then we'll see if that prints out anything. No input. Oh, I see the issue here. Okay, so let's run it. Right, starting, I use petrol, starting, I use electricity. Starting, I use both. Oh, I just had to write both right here. That was literally the issue. Okay, there you go. That works. And then, yeah, continue. So, briefly, polymorphism is one method with different implementation, one implementation with different methods, or each implementation with a different method. It's one implementation, it's one method, different implementations. Yep. And that's gonna end it right there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And if you did enjoy this, consider subscribing. But until then, have a great day.